Hi and welcome to the short tutorials. In this video I will show you how to get dark mode on the Snapchat on your Android. So process is pretty simple. Watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. So first of all you have to open your settings of your Android phone. Once you will open it, now you have to scroll up and click on the display from here. So here you will see different options, so you have to click on the advanced from here. So tap on it and you have to convert your real theme to the dark theme of your mobile. So once you will do it, now open your Snapchat and it will convert it to dark mode. So this is the only way you can use Snapchat in the dark mode on the Android, because this feature is not officially launched by the Snapchat. This feature is only for the iPhone yet, so you can simply wait for it, and this is the way you can use in this way the dark mode of the Snapchat. So if you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.